Here I have some potatoes I'm going to peel and put to boil. Here are my potatoes completely peeled and washed. Now I'm going to cut smaller so they cook faster, and we come back. Now I'm going to put these to boil. Here I have some garlic cloves, and I'm going to smash these, remove the outer shell, and add to my potatoes. And we add these straight to our potatoes. Now I'm going to add my potatoes to boil. For that, I'm going to add some salt. And here are my garlic cloves. I'm going to add those straight in and allow to boil. Okay guys, here are my potatoes completely cooked, and I pour off the water. Now I'm going to smash it. I'm going to add some milk. And some butter. I'm going to put some butter. And we smash until it's creamy. I'm going to add a small amount of complete season, and we just mix to combine, and we are good to go. Here's my finished creamy garlic mashed potato. Here I serve it with some green bean, broccoli, carrots, Salisbury steak. Watch out for that video. Crispy pan-fried pork chops. That one coming soon too. But today we're highlighting this fluffy. Look at it, guys. This fluffy, creamy, tasty mashed potato. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. Tell me all about it in the comment section below. And to my supporters, appreciate you all. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.